In the women's 4x100 meters relay final at the 2014 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow as part of the athletics program took place at Hampden Park, Glasgow, Scotland, was one of its kind. What a fantastic race, what a performance from Jamaican queens, as we can see, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Please give this video a like. And guys, I kindly request you guys because to always give the videos a like. Appreciate my work, please, guys. If you're happy of what I do, always give our video a like, comment, tell me how you find the video, tell me where you're watching from, and definitely you will have supported this channel so much. Yeah, man. Having said that, this is one of the track event women 4x100 meter final that left history all over the world. It's one of the greatest track and field event ever. We are seeing Jamaican queens flying from the gunpoint. In the first leg, Jamaican queen Caron Stewart opened up the race for others, fighting very well to the baton exchange. Veronica Campbell Brown in the second leg with the baton accelerating very well, giving distance to the rest of the field, changing baton to Shilonia Calvert in the third leg, performing magnificent well, chasing very well like nobody else business. Changing baton to the one and only Sally Ann Flasher Price in the anchor leg, who brilliantly showed the world that Jamaicans are the queens and kings of the sprint track and field event, dominating the race from the start point, touching the clothesline far much ahead of the field, as we can see, smashing the women's 4x100 meter final to win gold in 41.83 seconds. What a great performance! What a great performance by Jamaican queens. And guys, it was fun in the stadium as other teams, other world giants, fighting for second and third position, that is silver and bronze. And Nigeria were lucky enough to win silver in 42.92 seconds, and England settling for bronze in 43.10 seconds. Canada finished fourth in 43.33 seconds, and Australia in fifth position in 44.21 seconds. Bahamas in sixth position in 44.25 seconds, and Wales finished in seventh position in 44.51 seconds. Trinidad and Tobago settled for eighth position in 44.78 seconds. What a fantastic lane, what a fantastic race, guys, as we can see, 4x100 meter final at Glasgow Commonwealth Games, guys. And at the comment section down below here, guys, let's compliment all the queens participating in this great race. Congratulate them at the comment section down below here, because I always say that each and every team having that chance to compete in this race, they are definitely winners. So guys, as we wait for this year 2025 track and field event, which have already kicked off, waiting for the World Athletic Championships later in the year 2025 in Tokyo, Japan, keep tuned here, keep it locked here, because definitely I'll bring to you all the events as they happen. Like the video, comment, tell me how you find the video, share my video widely, show some love to me, guys, and because I much love you guys, because If it were not you, I could not be where I am, coming each and every day to watch my videos and liking and commenting. You guys, I can't take that for granted. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly consider doing so. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified each and every time we have a new video. And to all my subscribers and my returning viewers, thank you so much for always come back to watch my video. Like this video, comment, wish me good luck, tell me something. Let's engage one another. And definitely I'll be very happy. Bye.